Hello, my name is Theta Blackwood, and I'm here to share my experience with the DuoLab from LimeLife by Alcone. This is a brand new product, a device, in fact, that has been launched over in Europe, and we have just gotten the exclusive over here in North America with LimeLife by Alcone. I received this about 6 or 8 weeks ago and have been testing it, and it is amazing. I'm going to show you what is so great about it and why this is such a game changer for the industry. All of your bottled skincare has a preservative in it. It has to. It has a shelf life, and where it's prone to get air and all the things, it has to have a preservative. The DuoLab allows you to have fresh ingredients mixed in this machine, so there are absolutely no preservatives. Each of these little pods contains ingredients that are airtight and sealed, so that at the time that you put them in the DuoLab, it mixes it perfectly and you get to select your perfect combination for your skin. There's 6 different combinations. So I'll tell you a little bit about them. You've got 2 bases, and one is called Hydro Serum. That's this one. This is a lighter weight moisturizer, and this one is called Hydro Melt. Hydro Melt is a little bit thicker of a base. And then you have 3 different boosters to go with that. This one is Poreless Perfector. So if you have oilier skin or larger pores, you might want to mix one of the bases with that. Then we have Brilliance Boost, which is amazing. This is going to turn back the time and give you a brilliant look in your skin for sure. And then a favorite of, I'll say, mature women is Time Tonic, which is firming. And I will mix these up on the daily. So depending on the weather, depending on your hormones, depending on what you've eaten, how moisturized your skin feels, how much water you've had, you may feel like you need different things at different times. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your DuoLab. It does have a cord. It charges, and it keeps a charge for about a month. You are going to turn on the device, and you're going to take out this cartridge. The cartridge, you open it up, and you will see that there's a 1 and a 2 displayed, so that you will take the 1, whichever one you choose, and you're going to put that in with the arrow side down and the little connector piece pointing in. So that's going to go in, and I'm going to demo that in just a second. The 2, same thing. Whatever you choose, whichever your formulation that you choose, you'll stick that in the 2 side. Again, with the connector towards the middle, and you're going to put those in. So stay tuned, and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, here I am with a freshly washed face, and I am going to use Hydro Serum and Brilliance Boost. This is the morning. This is my morning cocktail. So I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to put them in. So 1's going to go in the 1 side, and watch. I'm going to put that down in. 2 is going to go in the 2 side, and I'm going to place that back in. The important thing is you're going to press this button to connect those 2 pods. And I'm going to put that right here in my DuoLab with the words facing me. Turn it on. And now I'm going to mix it up. Okay, now that it's done, I'm going to mist my face with water and my neck, my décolleté. I'm going to hit the little unlock button. And pull out the pod. This is where I'm just going to squeeze the device to release all of the amazing product that is freshly mixed for me. And this is plenty of product to use on your entire face, your neck, and your décolletage. And even after 1 use, you should see the Brilliance Boost do its thing. But what's amazing is after time, you are going to see a lot better results. Age spots fading, all the things. So as you can see, there's plenty of product in one use. I'm going to use this on the back of my hands. Our hands get neglected. And after one use, I hope you can even see that my face looks more brilliant, more hydrated, and that's just one example of what the DuoLab can do for you. The results after a few weeks, a few months are really astounding. As a mature woman that is trying everything possible to fight the signs of aging, I give this machine and this system a thumbs up. It is amazing. I have tried pretty much everything and I am blown away with the results. Now I'm just going to show you when you're done with this, you take the little tab, pull this out, and usually what I try to do is squeeze the last little bit. There's usually a couple drops in there. I will squeeze that out, but you will take this, you will put this in your recycling and use our free TerraCycle program to send these back to be recycled. So nothing goes to waste, everything is fresh, and there is no preservatives. If you have an allergic reaction to sodium benzoate, which is a typical preservative in most skincare, then this one is going to be your friend. You're welcome. Have a great day.